My name is Charles Tran with the Novice Builder, where every expert was once a novice. In part 2, we walked through the process of prepping materials, laying out the floor plan, and building and assembling the exterior wall sections. If you haven't watched part 2 of my first floor framing yet, I've put the link down in the description, or you can head over to my channel, The Novice Builder. Now in part 3, we'll move into the next stage of the build: erecting the walls, installing interior framing, and tying everything together structurally with top plates. Let's get started. Step 6. Erecting the walls. Once your exterior wall sections are fully assembled and laid out, it's time to lift them into place. Work as a team to carefully raise each section, aligning it precisely with your layout marks on the subfloor. Before all the wall sections are connected, use a stud as a temporary support. This will help balance and stabilize the wall while it's still standing on its own. Nail or screw the stud at an angle, just enough to hold the wall steady until everything is fully secured. Now, this is where those anchor bolts come into play. Make sure the pre-drilled holes in the bottom plate line up with the anchor bolts. This step is crucial. The bolts will secure the wall to the foundation and provide structural stability. Once the walls are in place and properly aligned with the anchor bolts, it's time to secure them. Grab your nail gun and load it with 16D nails, perfect for framing and heavy-duty connections. Step 7. Installing interior walls. Move on to your interior walls, such as those for the kitchen, workshop, and toilet. The process is similar. Use 2x4 116 by 5/8 inch KDDF pre-cut studs for these non-load bearing walls. Follow your layout plan precisely. For example, the 16 feet workshop divider must be measured and placed accurately to avoid complications later with cabinetry or fixture installations. Plumb and secure each wall section just like you did with the exterior walls. Step 8. Adding top plates and tying walls together. In this build, I'm using the staggered top plate method, a proven framing technique for added strength and stability. The top plates are intentionally extended past the edge of each wall section to connect with adjoining walls, especially at corners and intersections. This overlap locks the walls together, forming a continuous structural frame. It reinforces the entire build, helps prevent movement over time, and ensures your walls stay aligned, secure, and solid for years to come. Now that we've gone through each step, here's a quick time lapse to show how the whole thing came together from start to finish. With the first floor walls now standing and structurally connected, the framing is well on its way to completion. In part 4, we'll move into the next critical steps, installing floor joist and joist header, followed by sheathing the exterior to strengthen and enclose the frame. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete framing playlist or subscribe to my channel, The Novice Builder. It really helps me keep creating more helpful and engaging videos for you. And don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your tips, questions, or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out my upcoming project and videos.